Hello everyone, this is Veronica with V's Crafty Corner. Today we're going to make a card and I'm going to use the Mrs. Sparkle 6x6 paper pad. I use that one and we're going to fussy cut out the fox and tree and 2 sets of mushrooms. And then we're going to move on to the leaves. And we're going to fussy cut 5, 2 orange, 1 yellow, and 2 green. So I went ahead and did that for you. And here they are. Aren't they cute? So I wanted to join the Joanns. I guess it's like a make something and you could win a prize. However, I wanted to use everything Joanns. However, I didn't have any paper from them. But I had I had paper, but I mean I didn't have cardstock. So this cardstock right here, the craft is from Michael's. But we're using their paper pad and we're going to use the stamps, the Mrs. Sparkle and Company stamps. I'm going to use the sentiment, just wanted to say, and then hello. And we're going to use that, and we may use this ribbon for Michael, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be eligible for that entry. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to make the card, and at least we get to make a card. And so we're going to start off with this is 11 inches by 4 1/4 inches. And we're going to fold at 5 1/2. And I already went ahead and did that. Folded it at 5 1/2. And there's the sheet we're going to start with. You're going to use a circle. It's a 3 3/8 circle. I went ahead and cut this out with my EK Success tool, and it's a circle cut, old-fashioned style. You could use a punch if you have it, or you could use your cutting, electrical cutting machine. I went ahead and did that, and so you're going to need scissors to fussy cut, and you're also going to need a jelly roll pin. You're going to need Versamark. You're going to need your little powder dauber for the embossing powder. Today we're using the Recollection Snow embossing powder. So let's get started. Oh, also glue. So I'm going to use this Tombow Mono liquid glue. So let's go ahead and get started. First we're going to lay out all the little fussy cuts. So this is the way I want to lay them out, and I have my little tweezer tool here. So this is the way I want to lay them out. There's the yellow leaf, and I plan on doing this like this. Put the leaf under. So we're just going to make a little, what are these called? Reef. So I want it to look like this, like that. Isn't that cute? So far I have this, and I wanted to show you at least one leaf that I'm going to glue on, just so you'll know how to do the rest. And so I just add glue and just insert it under the leaf. Okay, so it should look like this. Now I'm going to glue the fox, the tree, and the 2 mushroom cutout. Glued that on so it looks like this. Glued the leaves together. I glued the mushrooms, the fox, and the trees. Now I'm going to make a stitch border with my gel pen around. I added the faux stitching with the white gel pen. And now I'm going to glue this on to the the card. I'm not sure if I should pop dot it or I should leave it like that. I think I'm going to add foam adhesive. I got this at the 99-cent store, and so I'm going to do that. Let's go ahead and cut 4 pieces and glue them to the back. Okay, we took the backing off. Now we're going to glue this to the card, and we're going to center it at the top, leaving some space. So there it is. Okay, now for the embossing, and I'm using the Mrs. Sparkle & Company card making stamp, and I'm going to use the Just Wanted to Say, and then in the inside it's going to say hello. We're going to use Versamark for this, and before we stamp it, we want to use the powder. I don't know what this is called, a powder pillow. So just go ahead and rub it against your card, and we're going to stamp it now. Open that up, make that straight, and there we go. And I'm going to take some paper out. Use some scratch paper for the embossing, and we're using Snow by Recollections. Turn it over and flick it. And you see I have some left right here. I'm just gonna take that off, and some right here. And so I'm gonna go ahead and emboss this. All I did was grab the embossing tool. I got this at Michael's. It's called Embossing Heat Tool by Marvy. And all I did was emboss it and use this heat tool to dry it up. This is what the card looks like so far. I went ahead and embossed the inside, and it says hello. So the front just says, Just Wanted to Say, and then hello. We're gonna put this bow right here, and this is the Recollections, I'm sorry, not Recollections, Michael's ribbon that I hauled for yesterday. Actually, yeah, I believe it was the 7th, so I hauled it on the 7th, and it's cute, really cute fall ribbon from Michael's. I just tied a bow, and we're going to put it right here with a hot glue gun. Okay, so just put a little bit there. And we're just going to add it right under the yellow leaf. Has some gold in it. The edges has gold. I think it's really pretty. And there's the card. Just wanted to say hello. Or just wanted to say, and then in the inside, hello. That's my card for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And until next time, you guys, thanks for watching. Bye.